Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use UTM software to install other operating system on your MacBook. I am using MacBook Air M2 which works great with UTM. So first we need to download the UTM software. I will guide you through it step by step. So search for UTM and go to the first website and then hit download. It will download the software. Mine is already installed. I don't need to download again. So after downloading and installing, it will look like this. So we will go in the browse UTM gallery. We can now and select any operating system from this. You can choose any one. It will automatically install. So I want to use Kali Linux for now, and the minimum requirement GPU acceleration, password Kali Kali, and download you can download or open direct UTM. I will direct UTM open. So it will first download depending upon the internet speed and will take a lot much time. So let me pause the video here and come back again. As it was taking a lot much time, so I will cancel it and download manually, and you can go search Kali. You can download and get Kali recommendation with silicon. You can download it. I already downloaded the Kali Linux. So you can create a new virtual machine, hit virtualize Linux and browse the ISO file, continue, and require I will give 2 MB 2 GB and the default course, and I will reduce to 24 GB space and hit continue and then continue. So it's loaded, and then you can hit settings, make it later bigger, and create new serial, hit serial and save, and you can start now. So the smaller one will be the part. Hit install. English, United States is fine, okay. American English. Course name Kali is good. Domain name Kali. Full name Kali. Username Kali. Password I give Kali itself. It's Kali. Hit continue. HTML. So use entire disk, select enter. Virtual disk one's 25 GB, it's okay, fine. All file in this all partition, but there will be only one partition. So I will okay, fine. Finish partition and write changes disk, yes, and write changes to disk. So yes, I wanted to, and it will install the base system, the minimum requirement base system. So we can download everything, but it will take a lot much time, so I will remove something. Okay, top 10. So okay, hit continue. It will take up much time, so we will fast forward the video. So the installation is done, and we have to remove the installation media. So continue, continue. It will reboot and ask for again installation. We will hit cancel. So cancel, cancel. So now we'll stop the and for deleting the installation media, we will first delete the serial, and on the USB drive we will clear the drive, and display it should have this one, and hit save, and again we start the machine. It should start in the Linux itself. Oh, it's fine. It's running. So the username was Kali, the password was also Kali, and login. Sorry. So it's everything is working. Home, uh, everything is working, and so thanks for watching the video.